If you find your Xbox account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision through a straightforward process. Follow these steps to submit your appeal effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant details about your account, including your Xbox gamer tag, email address associated with the account, and any messages or notifications you receive regarding the restriction. Step 2. Visit the Xbox support website. Go to the official Xbox support website. Look for the section related to account issues or restrictions. This is where you will find the necessary resources to start your appeal. Step 3. Sign into your account. Log into your Xbox account using your credentials. This will allow you to access your account information and submit a request directly related to your specific restriction. Step 4. Submit an appeal. Locate the option to appeal your account restriction. Fill out the required form with the information you gathered in Step 1. Be clear and concise about why you believe the restriction should be lifted. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email for a response from Xbox support. They will review your case and provide you with an update on the status of your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal an account restriction on Xbox. Good luck!